Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the massive love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I'll be quite to share with you what that's the analysis never and see the purpose of progress. The analysis to keep you updated is to give you all the latest happening, everything that is happening. Progress this analysis got you covered. So, without not wasting much of time, I want to take you along Enugu State. What is happening? The landlord, the tenants, the shop owners, the demolition is really in high level and a lot of people are in tears. I don't really want to talk too much.
Look at Enugu. You made mistake here. The face side up.
Kanye go do bere. Kanye go do bere. Oga zuzu chekwa di zuzu. Really, I can share. Huh? You know this thing. Because there, but I got covered. Oh, dear. I'm in again. And share. You know, be down now. I would have done it after I video. And I went there. And I went there off my. I got close to it. So I'm getting information now that during the demolition yesterday, many people died. Like the demolished house fell and they killed some persons. You know, people that are looting for iron and other condemns. So it was terrible. I'm just getting the info. They are picking irons. So I loot for iron condemn. So during the demolition yesterday, one of the according to the information, one of the houses fell and they killed some persons, some northerners.
You don't know. Oh. I can't know. What do you think is caption here? I get what you mean. Achọghị ịkwatu ndị nke anọ n'elu. Ọ ga-abụ na ha nwee so.
Isi na Canada.
Imege. Okwo.
Can I go there? So they are shooting here. They are shooting here. Mana agbatị agha skita. So I don't know if the sun is too much. I can't even see comments. I can't even read comments. The sun is too much. I want it too much. I want it too much. I'm just trying to, just trying to capture the ongoing demolition. As you can see, Hausa people, they are really fighting. Hausa people are really fighting here. So, see, Hausa boys are fighting here. Hausa boys are fighting. Hausa boys are fighting. You see? Hausa boys are fighting here. See? See that? more. Say no be small thing, So I'm just trying to see comments. The sun is too much. I can't even see. I want it too much. So the thing not there, but during this demolition, according to them, as in Enugu State government award this road. Now Chokoburu double lane from here to going to Nsukka, from Abba Junction heading to Nsukka. Now Chokobu double lane. So for that reason, they are demolishing what they tag as a illegal structure. They are demolishing all the said illegal structures to be able to commence the building of the road, the double lane heading to Nsukka. So during this demolition, many people are really angry, and people who are the victims of the demolition. So they are actually angry, and most of the Hausa boys who are into this thing, iron condemn. They are picking the iron from the demolished buildings. So imagine Kanda Hausa shame, I pick the iron and walk. I pick the iron and walk. So sometimes in the police are when you were in water gas. So for now, this is the current happenings here. You get warfare as bidoni issue. You get Daniel now. You get Daniel. You get bidoni issue. You get the attack. You get it. Oh, now I want it too much itself. More, I don't have for some futures. And they want it too much, like 3 much. Chicago Sunday. Look at my little pig. So even there for building this road now, it warrants the EEDC, that's NEPA, to come and unmount all these poles. So the people I don't know. I swear.
onye nwe ebe a n'obodo ahụ
nọ na-anọ before I eme anything. So ọ ga-awa na ntụ akwa na ma nke anụwa na. Okay, a na-evubekwe n'ime ego. Ndị Hausa na-emeche nnọọ ka ndị ara eziokwu. Emeche nnọọ ka ndị ara.
ndị nke ekwesịghị ibu mfe ya
Ibe anụ amakwana ya na-eme ya ya nwa ka ifu ndị Igbo ama mgbe ọsọ mmiri ọntị ozowe ma ha enyeche ha prior notice ibupụ their things kịta na aka ha bido bupụ we Jesus nekwo ihe ndịrị mmadụ ndị Hausa ndị nke a bụkwa hey Jesus tiftakwa akụgbu onwe ha na awụpụ dịrị bụ ihe nke a biko ọ maka ndị nke ọ bụkwa mmadụ ka ndị mmụọ bụ ya nekwo jikwa aka adọwa ya ọkụ Jesus.
nke a na-abịazi
Because I didn't make it to okwute. Then one day had a little way I was never lazy. I know because I don't like okay, okay. So these are places that was demolished yesterday.
This is our supermarket. We're leading to our convention and to expressway.
¿Qué happened also? So I don't come so So these are places demolished yesterday. And they are still going down. They are still doing the demolition. Many people, many shops are already demolished. Maybe small thing. Maybe small thing. Here one man where they cry, wait or say that shop now your only hope. Say now the shop the only source of livelihoods, the only source of income on Enwote. That's now Otanwa a demolition shop yana.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep updating you along the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.